Hey, Matt here, and welcome to another Mob Street video. Now, I'm out here with my 2019 TW200, and on Monday, today's Wednesday, on Monday, I was filming a video, riding home, and look at what happened to my tire. I picked up that staple somewhere, and when I posted that in the video, man, I had a lot of folks that said, dude, I told you to put slime in that tire. Hey, why don't you put slime in that? Hey, you should use slime. A whole bunch of folks said to use slime. So, guess what I'm going to use? Slime. I hate this stuff, and I'll tell you why. I have changed so many motorcycle tires where folks have put this in there, and it is a nasty freaking mess to put, or like to try to change out a freaking tire with this stuff in it. But we're gonna try it in this, see if it works. Now, this says for bicycles and to use 8 ounces per like tire. So we might have to use a little bit more than that since the TW rear tire is quite a bit thicker. But when you're in a bind and in a pinch, this is gonna see if this will get you back home. And then if it doesn't work, you know, swap out tube, whatever it may be. So we're going to try this, see if it works. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, I'm going to change out that tube because I do not wish that freaking mess upon anybody. So here we go. Okay, here's our instructions. Put the valve stem at the top of the wheel. Take out your valve core, which this little cap right here is a handy dandy little valve core remover if you do not have one. Allow the tire to fully deflate. Check. Remove the object if possible. There's our object. We're going to take that out. Attach the hose and squeeze in the slime. Reinstall the valve core. Just add air. And then spin to distribute the sealant. Here goes nothing. So, going to take our valve core stem out. This is the valve core stem remover from Slime. Gonna reach over there, see if that takes that valve stem core out. There we go, valve stem core right there. Yummy green goop. Gonna take our slime and we're gonna position it right here. Maybe this might be difficult. Into our valve stem. Okay, we're gonna have to roll ours a little bit. I'm gonna put quite a bit in there since this is a fatter tire. This is the 16-ounce bottle, so not really sure how much put in there. And this is the only stuff I had locally available without buying it online. So this you can just get at like a hardware store or whatever. So if you're in a pinch, we're gonna see if this will work. See how much of this we got left. I can't even tell. I'm gonna say again, I am not a fan of this stuff. All right, see how much of this stuff we have left now. Got about 12 ounces in there. So we're gonna see if that works. Gonna reinstall our valve stem core. Now the directions say to remove the obstruction. Pull out my pliers here. Look at that. Staple. Alright, this is where our hole is. Right here. So we're going to ride it around a little bit, see if it'll stop leaking on us. Okay, I just got back. I took it for about a half-mile ride, about 20 to 25 miles an hour. And this is where the hole was. Now, when I had, you know, before I put this stuff in there, you could hear the air just hissing out of there. So there's nothing coming out of there now. And our valve stem core sounds really quiet. I mean, I can't hear any air leaking from anywhere from our hole right here or our valve stem. So it might be working. I will follow up with this, you know, in a later video. I'll give you an update. If it doesn't work, I'll let you know. If it does work, I'll still let you know. But for right now, it seems to be holding. Again, I put about 12 ounces in the rear tire, filled it up to 20 psi. I'm going to recheck my air pressure, set it where I want it set, and then that might be a quick and easy fix for a flat tire. If you're out on the road and you know you get a nail or whatever, you need something quick fix, this might be the way to go. Might be the way to go. Just for, I don't know. Like I said, I've never been a big fan of this stuff, but we'll see how well it holds up, and we'll see if what everybody told me actually works here on the TW. So I will put links. You know, I know you can get this at Rocky Mountain. I know you can get this on Amazon. I'll put links to it in the description down below. If there's any questions or comments, make sure to put those down there as well. And if you use slime and you've had a good experience with it, put it down there. Let us know. If you've used it and had a bad experience, put it down there. Let us know. Now, again, this was a staple. This wasn't a ginormous hole. The tube itself didn't pop. It just had a little hole in it. So hopefully this will keep it sealed up. We'll call it at that. I'm Matt. This is Mob Street. This is the 2019 TW200 with slime in the rear tire now. The rear tube. Again, I'm not a big fan, but we're going to see if it works. So, yeah, there we go. Matt with Mob Street. Thanks for watching.